What's up, guys? Dr. Cam here with Ground to Overhead PT, coming back to you with your daily body armor. So we're addressing a little bit of low back pain today. Maybe you've been dealing with low back pain when you're getting ready to squat, when you're performing deadlifts, and we just want to tackle that. So great exercise here for strengthening the low back. It's quite challenging, and will be a progression of some maybe bent over rows, or maybe even just some planks that you've been performing. One of the exercises that I really love is, back extension holds on this GHD machine here. So just being able to kind of get down into that prone position where you're facing the ground, lift up, squeezing the glutes, squeezing the low back, and really beginning to strengthen that posterior chain. This is going to be a progression from that. So again, there's many different ways to begin to load the low back, strengthen the low back, and progress that over time. Maybe you've gone from GHD extensions, you've added a plate or a kettlebell, and you've gone into active extensions where you're actually doing that for reps. And maybe that's a progression from just static holds. This again could be another progression for you. It does include that static hold, but now we're also going to incorporate a row. Okay, so I've got a couple of kettlebells here. You could use some dumbbells as well, but we're just essentially going to get into that back extension position on the GHD machine, and then we're going to perform some alternating rows with these kettlebells. All right, so let me demonstrate. All right, again, we're going to lean down. We're going to grab hold of these. Now we're going to come up, again, squeezing the glutes, squeezing the core, squeezing that low back. And then from here, we are just alternating with our rows. Nice and controlled movement. Coming down when finished. Okay. Love that exercise. Again, this is one you could do for time. Maybe you start off with 30 seconds. I like to do this one for reps. So maybe, starting out, I would use a little bit lighter weight. So maybe you use a 10, 15, 20-pound kettlebell, depending on, what your level is. And you go upwards in 12 to 15 repetitions. This is something you would want to build up over time. Listen to your body, right? If you do have any discomfort that is lingering into the next day after this, maybe drop the weight. Maybe you're not quite ready for this exercise. But if you guys do try this and it's just not agreeing with you, reach out to us. Subscribe and like the page, but let us know in the comments below. See if we can help you guys out to continue to progress and essentially get you out of that low back pain and back to doing the exercises that you really enjoy in the gym, like those deep squats, those deadlifts, and any other activities that maybe this low back pain has been bugging you with.